Lola gave you Boy Bawang. Say thank you, Lola.
Open.
What is all that? All that's Boy Bawang? Is that Daddy's Boy Bawang? Huh? Is that Daddy's Boy Bawang?
Yeah, I get it.
What's this?
Open, Mom.
Okay, there's another one.
What's this?
That's Tita Momo.
Tita, I heard you for Diamond. That's for you.
Thank you. Put it on the table.
Is this one us too?
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, tell.
Give this to Tita.
I have some clothes, Tita. I have some clothes.
Oh, thank you. You can put it on in there somewhere.
Della, look.
What's this?
It's the
Look at it. See what it is.
Show it to Mama. What is it?
that?
It's Barbie clothes.
It's Barbie. Oh, give that to Dada to open.
What
Oh,
about this
there's
one?
another one.
Oh, I know what this one is. Look at this one.
It's my clothing. Open.
Put it
my
down.
clothing.
We'll open Boy Bawang in a minute. Look at the rest of your stuff. Look at that one. Who's on there?
It's a Robin Prince on anything else. Look.
Hey, what about
Robin
this?
Prince is on it. And all
Look.
that.
No, that one's yours too, right there. Hold that one up. The black.
Black.
Oh, what's that?
Wow, what is that?
Let me see, Della. No, the black. Hold the black up. What is it? Your dress? It's a pretty dress.
Open.
Now, hand me the no, baby. We'll eat Boy Bawang in a minute.